Hi guys! This is part 3 of my Vespa PX maintenance videos. I will link the previous parts in the description. Now I will check and lubricate the speedometer drive gear. For this I need to unscrew the speedometer drive gear retainer plate. It can be a bit tricky to get access to the screw. That's the reason why I swapped the original regular head screw with a hexagon socket screw. With a proper hex wrench with rounded head, I can turn the screw even when angled. Now I can pull out the speedometer cable . So the retainer plate and the rubber gasket is free. Now there's still the gear guide inside that needs to come out. Oh no, it fell out, but into the hub. But with the help of a little hook, I can pull it out. Great! Now I can simply drive out the drive gear by turning the wheel. And there it is! It looks good. Even the squared end looks fine, so I don't need to replace it again. But I need to clean the parts from dirt. After cleaning the drive gear, I need to re-lubricate it. I use a special grease with the right properties and which is compatible with plastic. After some drying time, I apply more grease. That's because the amount of grease needs to be sufficient. The inner gear drum needs also grease. To apply the grease evenly on the inner gear drum, I turn the wheel while spraying. Before I start reassembly, I clean the other parts as well. can insert the gear guide and the rubber gasket. Then I secure it with the retainer plate and screw. It's a bit tricky to keep all parts in place, so it takes some time. That looks good, but the brake disc needs to be cleaned from some grease spots. Of course, it needs to be absolutely clean for proper braking. Now I will clean, check and re-grease the selector box. Actually, this time I only check what can be checked from the outside. I need to detach the cover. You can see that I have added a washer below and on top. This is to have the cover in the right position when mounted. Okay, I need to clean out the old grease now. I check if the cable shows sign of wear, but that looks good so far. Now let's re-grease it. Grease not only lubricates the moving parts, but also protects the exposed parts from corrosion. The cover needs some TLC too. Alright, the cover can be put back in place. All shims need to be in place, of course. Maintenance is a lot of work and takes some time. There's more maintenance to do. I will cover this in the next part. If you're not already a valued subscriber, you now have the chance to become one. Like, comment and stay tuned for more videos. Videos are not for free, To cover my costs and support the channel, you can donate the equivalent of $1 or euro or more. For more details, please see the description. I wish you a great day. I will see you next time. Bye bye.